Hi, Greg Flaherty here with Penny Realty Property Management. So I want to do just a quick video to introduce you to our new cutting edge guarantee, and this is for all of our new clients. So we're going to call this our better than 100% guarantee. Here's how it works. If you hire Penny Realty to manage your property, and if you're unhappy with this for any reason during the first 90 days, we're going to refund all, as in 100%, of your monthly management fees back to you, plus an extra $500. So that's how confident we are in our services here at Penny Realty. So when you start with us, you're going to be assigned to a top-notch, experienced, and licensed property manager, and they're going to dazzle you with our services, and we believe you're going to love the results. We think and hope you're never going to need to claim this guarantee, but if you do, and if you're unhappy in the first 90 days, you're going to get all of your management fees refunded plus $500. This puts all the risk on us. So we believe this is one of the very best offers you're going to find in the San Diego property management industry.